Okay, welcome back to the course again. So in this lesson, I'm going to share with you the second most important thing that you should have in order to have a live website. So the first thing which we have covered in the previous lesson is called the domain name, and the second is called the web hosting. So for the web hosting, there are generally two types of web hosting. One is shared hosting, one is cloud hosting. So I will always suggest you to go with cloud hosting, especially if you have the budget. If you do not have the budget, you can choose shared hosting. It's more affordable, but it means that you will be sharing the server with a lot of other websites. So sometimes your server can be loading quite fast, but sometimes your website will be loading pretty slow. So it depends on how much the other websites are using the server resources. Okay. And this is my recommendation that you can look out for when you are choosing the web hosting package. So I would recommend to go after cloud hosting. The disk space, I would suggest minimum you should have a 10 gig. For the bandwidth, minimum you should have 100 gig. And the hosting should provide you with free SSL certificate. Okay, so nowadays, most of the popular web hosting should be able to do this. And also, under your hosting, they should not limit how many websites you should have. Okay, so this is one of my recommendation as well. So these are the three web hosting company that I recommend that you can go check it out. For my own personal company website, I use Cloudways. It is based on cloud hosting. This one is the most expensive, but the performance and the security is the most outperform the other ones. So the second one I recommend is SiteGround. They have a share hosting, which is much more affordable. And the third one is A2 hosting. So let me bring you to Cloudways website to take a look. So this is the Cloudways website, and you click on the pricing tab. You can see how much is the hosting cost. So for me, I will select the DigitalOcean. I will select the premium option over here. And this is a basic tier that I select for my basic business website. So I get 1 gig RAM, which I use totally for my website. So no other website will be sharing this 1 gig RAM with me because Cloudways is based on cloud hosting. So I have a lot of bandwidth. I have also a lot of storage. So all this costs about 14 USD per month. But if you going to have an e-commerce website that is powered using WooCommerce, I would suggest you at least get this, which is the 2 gig RAM, which costs at 28 USD per month. So this is cloud hosting. If you have the budget, definitely I recommend you to go for it. But if you do not have the budget, you can consider SiteGround. If you click on SiteGround web hosting, and scroll down, you can see that they are currently running a promotion that for 1 month is only $2.99, but it's for one website. If you can just go for $4.99 per month. You can get unlimited website. And currently, they are also giving you free domain, which means that you do not need to pay additional for domain name. So you can just get the plan, get a free domain, sign up for 1 year for this promotional fee and get started. I will share some of these web hosting links in my bonus lecture so that you can go and take a look. In the meantime, if you have any questions about web hosting, just feel free to post in the Q&A session. I'll be happy to help you out with. See you in the next session. Thank you.